New series alert. A nursing school student emailed me and she said, hey, I'm really struggling in school. Can I send you the topics we're going over? And then you can explain it to me in real terms instead of like professor and textbook terms. And I was like, yeah, sure. So she sent me cellular response to injury and inflammation. Let's go. Okay, so I'm reading from my notes. So an inflammatory response. It happens when the tissues, any little tissues anywhere, are injured. And it could be injured by lots of things: bacteria, toxins, heat, trauma, getting beat. This causes injury. The best personality trait of inflammation is that they cause an accumulation of white blood cells, specifically the leukocytes. The leukocytes are the best cleanup crew. They always understand the assignment. Wherever they go, they're ingesting the bacteria, they're ingesting whatever foreign body showed up, they're cleaning up all of the debris that caused the injury. These leukocytes also send a little bat signal like, yo, we need help, we need backup. And guess who comes along? These chemicals like histamine, prostaglandin, they show up and they're like, bet, let's fix this. While all of the leukocytes and everybody's doing their job, the histamine and the prostaglandins and those people, they're talking to the blood vessels and they cause the blood vessels to leak fluid into the surrounding tissues to like make space. And that's what causes the swelling in inflammation. That was not very textbook, but I hope it made sense and I hope it helps you pass on your next nursing school exam. Let me know what you want me to talk about next.